Today's up on the new Super Mario Show, Episode 2. What would go wrong to the world? We won't know, but probably. Ding, ding, ding. Today was a very busy day. Police cars, buses, food delivery, mail, cargo parcel, tankers getting filled up full of gas for the gas station. And there were also control panels for the city to control the world so it doesn't lose connection. But that would happen on today's episode? We won't know. Today was just very good. Now, some friend pulled up with another friend today. It was starting to get busier and busier. And so Mario pulled up with his friends. Hey my friends, have you ever find the gas station nearby? I'm starting to get the losing out of gas. Well, there's a gas station nearby where Adam Carter workshops nearby. Okay, that's excellent. Thank you very much, friends. You're welcome. Until Mario was going to the gas station, he felt a strange pop to come out of his vehicle. What has happened to my vehicle? Oh no, the wheel is popped off. This is not good at all. Adam Tow Truck Services, what do you need? Yes, my car is, had a pop out of a wheel. I need you guys to help me out with a tow truck. Okay, it's coming right there. Drop by your GPS now. Okay, good. Mario was still sitting in his car till 11 p.m. And it was 1 already early for the tow truck to come. Of all the big traffic going on the way to Adam Workshops. Oh, wait, what? Oh my god, there's some cars speeding here. I'm not sure about this one. But that's worth a shot, man. Let's go. The working shot for the tow truck to come through was only a 2-minute bot. Here we are, Adam Cars. Just check out the view from these vehicles you can see passing through. Okay, that's a flatbed truck. That's flatbed truck A. And this is flatbed truck B. And this is tow truck B. Wow, I never saw these much vehicles hauling these before. Oh yeah, you'll also see some normal cars passing by too. Like that truck is going to be taking gas to the gas station today. And there's also a Ford Sport track truck. Okay. What? Wait. Is this still under construction? Yeah, but the works are in garage. Smooth as silt. But okay, I trust. So I'll take your car on the way here to the works to fix your wheel and put you some gas. Okay, I never saw this before. Oh my god, I never seen such a big place like this before. Wait, what? Wait, it says my car's not working? Oh man, it's control panel fall down for the rain.